Oppo A58x 5 grams features a 6.56-inch LCD display with a water drop notch. It offers an HD Plus resolution of 720x1612 pixels, 269 ppi pixel density, up to 600 nits of brightness, up to 90 Hz refresh rate, a touch sampling rate of 90 Hz, and Panda glass protection. The phone runs on Android 12 OS and ColorOS 12.1. The Dimensity 700 chipset powers the Oppo A58x 5 grams. It comes with 6 GB and 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. Both models come equipped with a 128 GB of F2.2 storage. There is a microSD card slot on the device for more storage. The 5000 mAh battery of the A58x supports 10W charging. The A58 A58X has an 8-megapixel camera for shooting selfies and making video calls. The back panel of the device features a 13-megapixel primary camera, a 2-megapixel portrait lens, and an LED flash. The power button located on the right edge is integrated with a fingerprint scanner. The A58X offers other features like dual SIM, 5 grams, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, a USB-C port, dual stereo speakers, and a 3.5mm audio jack. It measures 163.8 x 75.1 x 7.99mm and weighs around 186 grams. In comparison, Oppo A58 5 grams offers a 50-megapixel primary camera and 33W charging. The rest of the spec are identical on both phones. Oppo A58x 5 grams is variant that offers 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage is priced at 1,200 yuan, $173. It comes in 3 colors: breeze purple, tranquil blue, and star black.